Hello, and welcome to this tutorial where we're going to teach you how to create your very first asset in Hector's online asset management platform. So you're probably in the onboarding screen and you've reached the step where you're ready to create your first asset. So you'll click on this orange button here, Create My First Asset. This is going to take you to a screen where you have a few information that you'll want to fill in. The first is, where is your asset going to be physically located? I wrote room 101. The next step is, what's your assets category? We're talking here about a generic term that groups together some of the equipment that you're looking to track. In our example, we put computers, but it could be tools, it could be audio visual equipment, it could be anything that you're managing today. We'll also select a management method. In this case, it's per unit. We're looking to track each of these computers individually. You can also track equipment by lot with Hector where you're looking to track them individually. Next step, we're going to enter a make and model for this equipment. We could also enter just a general description if we don't necessarily have a make or model that we want to put in the system. And in the last step, we're going to provide individual details on the asset. So its asset tag or unique number. We'll be able to add more fields at a later moment. Once we've created our asset, we'll see that Hector automatically generated an image for our asset, as well as the information that we provided has been also filled in. Last thing that I want to show is that if you want to create an asset moving forward, you'll either do so with the plus and then selecting asset, or you can also do it from the inventory menu and click on new. You'll be taken to a screen that's similar to the one you've previously seen, where we choose a physical location for our asset. We can also select categories that exist in the system or create new ones, as well as models. And we'll have all the information about the asset itself. We can add files, notes, and when we're done, we click on Save and View and we'll be able to see the card of our asset we've just created. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button and remember to subscribe for more videos like this one. And see you guys next time.